See, I bring to you something special. I know you are expecting Mercedes or Lexus or something. This one is luxury edition of Honda. This is a 2020 Honda for you. Small money, oh, don't be scared. But first of all, let's check the features that this beauty right here has. You can see from the front. If I'm not mistaken, this thing be like fish. It be like iron, it be like eagle. I don't know, but whatever it is, it looks beautiful, it looks scary, it looks you know what I'm saying? Let's show them the car. This car right here has a very sweet and chilling air condition with the moon roof that is active. I'm not talking of, look at it, active moon roof that works perfectly. This one is not audio, everything works perfectly. With the reverse camera, of course, you can see the reverse camera, audio, infotainment system, everything active, the volume control, everything. This is the reverse camera. You can see the cars behind me. Look at the interior, beautiful interior. Honda, there's something about this Honda series that marvels me. It's like they have changed the game. This right here is the with the handrest with the this thing comes in with a refrigerator. All right, if you put drinks here, it go cold. The beautiful glove compartment. Let's show them the back view of this car. This is luxury edition. Look at it. Luxury edition with the back AC vent, of course. Now let's look at the back view of this car. This is the 2020 series of the Honda Accord. Honda no complaint this time around. Look at it. Neat, neat trunk. Look at it. Neat trunk. Neat trunk. Everything intact. And this is foreign used. Now let me show you the engine room of this car, which is one of the most important part of this car, right? Let me show you now. Look at the engine of this car. Or let me even hold it. Look at the engine of this car. Look at it. Sweet silent engine. Neat. Turbocharged. Four plug. Turbocharged. You know what that means? It means even with your VCs, I still dust you. You know what I mean? Come with your 23 million naira. No, 2026, because of tax, I don't want to cut people neck. Give me 22.5 million naira. I'll give you this car. I look forward to hearing from you, bro.